Here I am going to discuss a small topic in trigonometry in 10th standard mathematics. Here you can see a triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle and the angles are 45 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. And the length of BC is given 3 centimeter. You can see that this is an isosceles triangle because here the angles are 45 and here it is also 45 degree. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. So, the length of AB is 45 degree. The side opposite to 45 degree is again 3 centimeter. Now, we want to calculate the length of AC. For that, we use Pythagoras theorem. You already know about Pythagoras theorem. For that, here in this triangle, AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle, BC is the base of the triangle, AB is the altitude of the triangle. Then what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here hypotenuse is AC. So we can say that hypotenuse square is AC square. AC square is equal to base square, that is BC square, plus altitude square. Altitude is AB, that is AB square. And the length of BC is 3. Therefore, 3 square plus the length of AB is again 3. 3 square. We do the calculation. 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is again 9. This is equal to 9 plus 9, 18. Therefore, AC square is 18. Therefore, AC is equal to root 18. Here, we can write 18 as 9 into 2. Then, root of 9 is 3. Therefore, we can simplify like this, 3 root 2. Here, the angle of this triangle is 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. The sides are 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. We got this length has 3 root 2 centimeter. 3 root 2 centimeter. Therefore, the angles are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Then, corresponding sides, that is the side opposite to 45 degree is 3 centimeter. Again, the side opposite to 45 degree is 3 centimeter, and the side opposite, the length of the side opposite to 90 degree is 3 root 2 centimeter. We can divide this by 3, the number 3. 3 is common here, so we can divide. Dividing 3 by 3, we get the answer 1. Again, dividing 3 by 3, we get the answer 1. If we divide 3 root 2 by 3, we got root 2. Now I am going to say the same thing in this triangle. The only differences here is the length of BC is 2 centimeter. The other things are also same here. Okay, here the length of BC is 2 centimeter. So here the length is also 2 centimeter because this is an isosceles triangle and we want to calculate the length of AC here also, and we use Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. So we can explain that AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is Pythagoras theorem, and here BC is 2 centimeters. So we write here 2 square plus AB is again 2 centimeter, that is 2 square. Calculating this, 2 square is 4. Again plus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. That is AC square is 8 and AC is equal to root 8. That's equal to root 4 into 2. That's equal to root 4 is 2. Again the value is 2 root 2. You can see here also the angles are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and we got the length here, the length of AC here 2 root 2. We can write here this 2 root 2 centimeter, and the length of the side opposite to 40 degree is 2 centimeter, and the length of the side opposite to 40 degree again is 2 centimeter, and the length of the side opposite to 90 degree is 2 root 2 centimeter. Here we can divide these three values by 2 because 2 here is a common factor. Therefore we divide 2 by 2, we got 2. Again we divide 2 by 2, we got, here we divide 2 by 2, we got 1. Here we got dividing 2 by 2, we got 1. Again we divide root 2 by 2, we got root 2. So in these two triangles, we can see an identity. What is that? Here, the angles of these triangles are equal. Here, the length of base of this triangle is 2 centimeter, and the length of altitude is also 2 centimeter. Then here, the length of hypotenuse is 2 root 2. That is root 2 times the length of base or length of altitude. Here the length is 3 centimeter. So the length of altitude is also 3 centimeter. And the length of hypotenuse is root 2 times the length of base or altitude. So we go to a conclusion that whatever be the length of altitude, the length of base is same of altitude, and the length of hypotenuse is root 2 times the length of base. Okay, so we got a conclusion. So we can say whatever be the length, the hypotenuse is, whatever be the base length or altitude length, the hypotenuse is root 2 times its multiplication, root 2 times of the length of base or length of altitude. So we say that in any triangle with angles 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, the length of sides are in the ratio 1:1:2. Root 2. This is an important result in trigonometry. That is, the length of sides of any triangles with angles 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree are in the ratio 1:1:2 root 2. Here it is very important that the length of the side opposite to 45 degree is this one. The length of the side opposite to again 45 degree is this one, and the length of the side opposite to 90 degree is this. That is important. Okay, here we can multiplying this one by 1 root 2 by x. We got 1 into x has x is 2, 1 into x is again x, and third one is root 2 into x. That is, whatever be the length of base or altitude, the hypotenuse is root 2 times of that length. Here is a question. Calculate the area of the parallelogram. The parallelogram is given here, and this length is 4 centimeter, and here it is also 2 centimeter, and the angle here is 45 degree. And the area of the parallelogram, we want to find the area of the parallelogram. We know that area of the parallelogram is base into height. This height. So here it is already given the base, the length of base. So we want to calculate the height of this parallelogram. So here we can see that there is a triangle with this angle 45 degree, and here this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is again 45 degree. So we can use the property that we discussed, that if in a triangle, if the angles are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, the sides are in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to root 2, or x is to root 2 x. So here the hypotenuse is 2 centimeter. So we can say that for calculation it is easy to say the ratios are x is to root 2x. And here this is root 2x is the side opposite to, the length of side opposite to 90 degree. Here it is 2 centimeter. So we can write root 2x is equal to 2. That is, x is equal to 2 by root 2. Here we know that 2 is root 2 into, we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. We can cancel root 2, and the answer is root 2. That is, here x is root 2. X is root 2. That is, x is the side opposite to 45 degree. Here this length is root 2. And area is equal to base into height. Base into height. Area is equal to base into height. This is equal to base is 4 centimeter into height is root 2. Therefore, area is equal to 4 root 2 centimeter square. So we can calculate more problems like this using that property we have already discussed. So we can discuss more problems and solutions of all the problems in another video. Now I am going to stop here. Thank you all of you for watching this video.